Hey, welcome back, Omega Ruby, and today we're gonna be doing a paper airplane tutorial. See, watch. I made this one. This one can glide. Watch, ready? 3, 2, 1. Look at that. And then look at this one. This one just goes everywhere. Look at that. So I'm gonna go get those. We're gonna show you how to make. We're gonna show you how to make those. And right after, right now, I need you to leave a like on the video, subscribe down below, and I hope you enjoyed the solar eclipse today. Okay, first I'll show you how to make this one. So let me just unfold this. Look at that. Okay, first, actually I'm not going to show you how to make this one. This one's actually extremely advanced, and hold on, I'm going to see actually how to do this. Oh boy. Okay, first, you have to go like this. Okay, actually I'm not going to show you this one, because this one's actually extremely hard to make. And, yeah. So hold on, let me just see if this is flies again. That really flies. It's telling you, hold on. Okay. So now we're gonna show you how to make a jet. Okay, so first, hold on, let me just go on the table. My workbench. My workbench. What? You like my double chin? That's my double chin. Okay.
Okay, so yeah, just have one end.
No. Oh no, that fell.
Okay.
Stay. Focus, camera. Focus. There we go. So this won't be on my face, but that might work. That works. That works. You like my little hot tub right there? Like my little view outside. Just kidding, it's cloudy. Okay, so first off, get a little piece of paper. First, fold it, go like this. Perfect. Go like this. Open it back up so you can have that. Just crease it. That. Okay. Oh, great. That was kind of horrible. I did a bad crease. I did a bad crease. Okay, so there we go. Hold on. Okay, so now you just need to go like this. Well, actually, how to make it advanced. So just go like this on both sides. Just go like that, and then do that same thing on the other side. So you have this, and fold it. So you can get this little taco. Okay, so you have to go like this. And if this video is helpful, comment #helpful. Okay, so then you'll have this, and ready, watch. Look at that. Look at that. Did you see that? I'm gonna shoot it from here all the way. Okay, ready? Look, did you see that? It actually kind of turned around. Well, you didn't really see it. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Look at that. Look at that. And it got stuck a little bit. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please smash that like button down below and subscribe for more daily top-notch favorite videos. Minecraft and Clash Royale. Leave a like, subscribe down below. Peace out. Bye.